What's up guys, today we're unpacking the Asus ROG Azoth mechanical customizable keyboard. Great for those getting into custom keyboards and of course, gamers. This keyboard comes with a volume knob that switches up and down that also works as a media controller. Control the media from here. Skip song or play the previous song. Control the brightness of the RGB or the brightness of the screen. Change the RGB layout to your liking and adjust the volume. And if you want to see the CPU performance or put your own GIF, download the Armory Crate software. Connect wirelessly via Bluetooth or 2.4 GHz Supernova with USB dongle. This is a customizable keyboard, so of course it's hot swappable. And the keycaps are PBT double shot and it's a 75% layout. It also comes with a USB-C cable for charging and wired use. Side note, the RGB is north facing, so keep that in mind if you want to put in different keycaps. The DIY kit comes with a switch puller, keycap puller, lube, lube brush, switch opener, and switch station. Battery life is up to 2,000 hours, no RGB, and no OLED screen on. To really put that into perspective, that's roughly 83 days of continued usage. Overall, a really great keyboard. The build quality is amazing. Just like a cake, it's 5 layers deep. Customization comes easy with the help of the DIY kit. It has everything you need. Switches feel great, and the media control on the OLED screen is a handy feature. That's it for today's video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as leaving a like. And let us know with a comment below what you think of the Asus ROG Azoth Keyboard. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.